Hello friends, this is Udit Soni. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is the part for SQL for interview series. In the earlier parts, we have discussed about joins and some important interview problems we have solved already on the joins. Okay, so in this video, I will be telling you about the function in SQL with the help of some important questions for interview. So be stay till the last so you can add a valuable skill or valuable knowledge in your interview preparation or placement preparation journey. So, and before going further in this video, I am requesting you if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Please do subscribe our channel. And if you are liking our content or videos, please I am requesting you share with your friends so we can reach a larger audience. So it will give me motivation for creating this amazing content. And I will be creating the lots of series. Okay, not only the SQL, Python, the machine learning, deep learning. Okay, so please support me and please do subscribe and share with your friends. So let's get started with this video. So function in SQL. With the term function, you might know like what are the function, what is the function in a Python, in a C++, in Java. So we will be discussing function in SQL. So let's start. So function like what is the term function indicating? When we want to perform a specific task, so we have to build some specific code in the particular block. Okay, so it's defined a function. And what are the types? The types of the function is system defined like round function, upper, lower, count, sum. Okay, and user defined is also like we can define your own function like Python or Java or C++ in the SQL also. Okay, so we will be discussing like string function, and after that we will be discussing aggregate function. So you know like joins and function can solve the 80% of the interview problem. So let's start with the string function. So these are the some common we are using in our general queries: upper, lower, length, substring, now, format, concat, replace. You can read the with the help of this PPT or with the help of this picture like what they are doing. Okay, and most use the aggregate function like count, sum, average, max, min, round. These are the common often used function we often use with the group by and select statement. We will be discussing the in the details in the upcoming parts also. So let's start now with the problem. Let's understand how we can use these aggregate function, these string function in our SQL problem. So friend, this is a lead code problem. I will give the link also. You can just search second highest salary lead code question. So you will find okay in Google also. And problem number is 176. So we will be solving today in this video. And I select this problem because this is the most common asked in interview like the what is the second highest salary, what is the third highest salary. Okay, this is the famous question. So we will be solving this and we will be using the max aggregate function as we have discussed in the in this video. Okay, so let's understand the problem first, then we will proceed how we can solve. Okay, this is the second highest salary we have to find in this schema. Okay, the schema is given, the table name is employee. Okay, there is a table employee. There are two column name ID and the salary. The type is int. Okay. Now what is our question? Write a solution to find the second highest distinct salary from the employee table. If there is no second highest salary, return null. Okay. So let's discuss example one. These are the ID and the salary 100, 200, 300, and the output should become like second highest salary. Like this is the 200. Okay, this is another example like one is only there in the table, one entry is there, so the output should be null. Okay, is mentioned. So let's discuss. I have already solved the lots of SQL lead code problems during my placement preparation. Okay, so we will be solving for you guys. Okay, I will be solving for you guys. So there are the lots of ways of solving this problem, but we not proceed. I have not covered the Windows function and other functions in the SQL. So we will be solving with the help of aggregate function only today in this video. So we want the second highest salary. Okay. So what will be the my approach? And if you like this video, please share. And if you have another approach, please do comment. Okay, in the comment box. what is your approach and with the solution if you want. So just let me think. So what we will be doing, we are finding the first highest salary. Okay, select first. Okay, select max salary. So we have used the max aggregate function from employee. So here are the like my technique is usually solve to question like just divide in the sub parts. Okay, what we want and how we can achieve that. Okay, otherwise if you start, this is the very simple problem, medium problem, but when the problem is too long, so we have to think in the partition wise. Okay, otherwise we can't proceed with a proper solution, we can't get a proper solution. Okay, please try this approach for solving any SQL problem. So just come to the problem, select max salary from employee. Okay, just run, it will give the maximum salary. I know the output will be wrong, the answer will be wrong. Okay, so like it is working fine, it is giving 300. Okay, now we want the second highest salary. So what we can do, now we want salary which is less than this salary. Okay, just less than this salary, this is the first salary, now we want the second highest. So we can use the subquery part. Okay. Mm, like now we can use the where salary less than this. Okay, now try this one. I hope it should work fine. So it is giving wrong answer. Why? We have not given the alias name. Okay, just I have done the simple mistake. Is so it should work fine now. Yeah, you can see like it is working fine now. Let's try with the submission. So it will check the all the cases are passing right on. So guys, you can see our solution is correct. Okay, and I'm telling you we can solve with the different solution also, but I have not covered the Windows function and other important concept. So I am providing you only one solution for now. In the upcoming parts, we will be discussing all the possible solution and how we can solve a problem. Okay. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe our channel. Please share with your friends so it will give motivation for keep making this type of content. Okay. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next part. Thank you. Thanks for watching.